Hey guys, we're going to keep working with more, okay? And this time we're going to see which one has more. So we're going to count some objects, we're going to write the number, and then we're going to see which one has more. Same thing kind of like with the alligator, except this time we're just going to write and circle. So go ahead, and this is what you're going to need today. You're going to need something to write with. You are going to need 4.3. It looks like this. It's in your math packet from our October packet. All right, you're going to need that one. And then for the game that's on the back, you're going to need your dice or your dice from home, a board game, something like that. So get all your things and come back to me. All right, guys, I hope you got all your things. I'm going to flip the camera and we're going to go ahead and do this more activity. All right, go ahead and flip it. All right, guys, I have my paper right here. And on the directions, it says draw a line to the pair up each set. Write the numeral, and numeral means number, okay? Circle the group that has more. So there's a lot of things that we have to do on this paper. So what we're going to do is we're going to draw a line. Watch. This is how they mean by match it up, okay? So one goes here. So these two match up together. You see that? Now these two will match up here. Oh, my marker's kind of going down. Okay. And then these two, this one will match with this one. And this one will match up with this one. Oh my gosh. So there's one left over here. So this, this group right here has one more. So what you're going to do, because it has one more and it has more, you're going to go ahead and circle this group because it has more. And down here, we're going to write the numeral. And numeral means number. So we're going to count how many objects there are and then write down that number. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's 4. So my friends, you can down and write and cut into my challenge friends. Let's write the word F-O-U-R. All right, now let's count this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 is one more than 4. So we're going to go ahead and do 5 down and around and give it a hat. If you guys want to write 5 because you're challenged, there's F-I-V-E for 5. Okay, so good job doing this one. Let's go ahead and come down to this one. We're going to draw our line and make it match again, okay? So let's see. So this one will match to this one because it's 1, 1. All right, here, this one will match to this wiggle worm. All right, this pole will go to this wiggle worm, and this pole will go to this wiggle worm. Oh, look at this. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 here again, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there's 3 more to this 4. So you know that this one has more, so that's the one we're going to circle. All right, so now we're going to put 4 and we're going to write 7. So Miss Keegan's going to come over here. So down and write and cut in 2. And then 4 is F-O-U-R. All right, now this one said 7, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And it's always okay to count again just to make sure so we have our numbers right. So slide to the right and slant on down. Be careful when you're writing your 7, guys. Sometimes we have it backwards, but that's okay. Just be careful. Watch it. Slide to the right, then slant on down. Let's go ahead and write the word 7. So S, E, V, N. 7. So S-E-V-E-N for the word 7. All right, let's go ahead and come over here. I want you to try this one by yourself. I'm going to give you a few seconds, and then I'm going to help you do it. So go ahead, draw your lines, make it match, and then see what number has more. All right, guys, I hope you made the match. So I'm going to draw this fishy to this fishbowl. I'm going to draw this fishy to this fishbowl and draw this fishy to this fishbowl. Oh, look, the fishies have 2 more than the bowls. So I'm going to go ahead and circle this one here. All right, now let's count how many fishies there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to write 5 on my line. Down and around and give it a hat. And I wrote 5 right here, F-I-V-E. So you can write 5 again if you want to. And there's 1, 2, 3 bowls. So I'm going to write the number 3 up here because I want my challenge friends to be able to write 3 down here on the line. So 3 is T-H-R-E-E. 3. All right, so I hope you guys did that one. Now I want you to try this one. I'm going to give you a few seconds to do the same thing, and then Miss Keegan will help you. Go ahead. Okay, guys, we're going to go ahead and draw the apples to the trees. So this apple's going to come out of that tree. This apple's going to come out of this tree. This apple's going to come out of this tree. And this apple's going to come out of this tree. Oh my gosh, we have two more over here. So let's go ahead. So we know that that's the bigger one. That one has more, so we're going to circle it. All right, let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, that's 6. So I'm going to slant on down and give it a curl. And then I'm going to write the word 6. S-I-X. So 6. Let's count how many trees there are. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, there's 4. So I'm going to do down and right and cut in 2. And then write the word 4. F-O-U-R. All right, guys, you did really good on getting more and seeing which one has more. Now, there's something fun on the back, okay? So if you want to do this, you can. Miss Keegan will show you. Okay, this says roll and cover game, and it's one less. So that means you're taking it away. So if you have your dice, if you roll your dice, oh my gosh, it says roll again. Well, I guess I got to roll again. Oh, there we go. All right, so now I have 3. So if I have 3... and I take away 1 less. 1 less means take away 1. That leaves me 2. And I'll even show you with my little monkeys here. All right, so now with my monkeys, I have 1, 2, 3, like my dice says, right? All right, and what's 1 less? That means you take 1 away. So I'm going to take away 1 monkey. That leaves me 2 monkeys. So on here, on your board, you're going to color something with 2 dots. Color it in. All right, and then you can play again. Let's roll another one. We'll do another one together. Oh, 2. Oh, good job. I already have my 2 monkeys, and it wants 1 less. So I'm going to take away 1 monkey, and that leaves me 1 monkey. And my dice is going to blow away, I think. It's trying to run away. All right, so now I need to find one with a 1. Oh, look, there's one right here. I'm going to color this one in. And I'm going to color it in. All right, 1 more just for fun. 1 more just for fun. Because I'm having, look, I got 2 again. So 2. So I got my 2 monkeys or 2 counters, whatever you guys want to use if you want to. And I'm going to take 1 away because it wants 1 less. So 1 less is 1 again. So now I'm going to color in another one. So you guys can play this game over and over again if you put it in your sheet protector. And you do not have to turn this one in. But I just thought it would be fun for you guys to have an extra fun game to play with your math. So good job, guys. Keep up all the good work. And tomorrow we're going to do a little bit more with more of something.